Tonight, I will be making sesame chicken gyoza and red cabbage salad with cucumbers, sweet soy glaze, and cilantro. It is from HelloFresh, and it is non-sponsored. The recipe and ingredients will appear right after. And if you want to see any other dishes made, please leave a comment, and please subscribe and or follow depending on what app you're watching this on. This meal was very easy to prepare and didn't take long. However, once it was ready, I was very unimpressed. The gyoza was very dry and tasted bland. This was my least favorite HelloFresh meal ever.